Hi, first graders. For today's three-part drill, we're going to continue looking at our magic E sounds. Magic E makes the vowel say its name. So remember, we have O magic E says O. A magic E says A. I magic E says I. U magic E says U. And E magic E says E. When we go to write these sounds, now we know two ways to spell all of our long vowel sounds. So if I said, show me the two ways to spell long A, you would say A says A magic E says A. If I said, show me the two ways to spell long E, we would say E says E, and E magic E says E. The two ways to do long O would be O says O magic E says O. Show me the two ways to make long U. Long U says U, so U says U, and U magic E says U. And our last vowel, show me the two ways to do long I. We know long I says I. I says I magic E says I. Today we're going to play a chaining game. I'm going to write a word, we're going to read it together, and then we're going to change one sound in the word to make a new word. My first word today is cake. If I go to spell cake, I go k-a-k, cake. Since the A here makes a long A sound, I put a magic E at the end. Now I have the word cake. If I want to change this word to rake, I'm going to have to change the first sound. Change the first sound to R. Now we have the word rake. If I want to change this word to the word rate, I'm going to have to R-ate. Oh, we're going to have to change this last sound here to a T. Now we have the word rate. Now I'm going to change the word to plate. Plate. I'm going to have to erase this first sound here and add a pull. Now we have the word plate. I want to change the word plate to plain. What will I have to change to make it say plain? Plain. Plain. Ooh, I'm going to have to erase the T and put N. Now we have the word plain. Now I want to change the word to lane. What will I have to do here to change the word to lane? I'm going to just have to erase the P. Now I have the word lane. I now want to change the word lane to line. Line, line. I'm going to have to change the A to long I. Line, line. Now I want to change the word line to like. Like. Change the N to K. What word do we have now? Like. Now I want to change the word like to bike. 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 I'm going to have to change the L to B. Now I have the word bike. Now I want to change the word bike to trike. Going to have to take off the B, add tr. Now I have the word trike. What do I need to do here if I want to make the word say strike? I'm going to have to add a S sound to the beginning. Now I have the word strike. Now I want to change the word strike to stripe. Stripe. Oh, I'm going to have to change that K to a P. Now I have stripe. I want to change the word stripe to just say ripe. What will I have to take off to make it say ripe? I'm going to have to take off the st at the beginning. Now I have ripe. Now I want to change the word ripe to rope. R-ope, rope. Change that middle sound to O, long O. We have the word rope.